Today's fruit butter recipe has warm notes of cinnamon, ginger, cloves, and nutmeg, and is a welcome addition to my Welcome to Fall menu. Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome to my channel. Thank you all so very much for being here. So today, you guys, I am going to take some pumpkin puree along with some other few simple ingredients, and we are going to make a delicious low carb pumpkin butter sauce. And you guys, I'm sure you've seen this at your local grocery stores. It could be very expensive, and also you don't know all the ingredients they have in it, but you will be surprisingly amazed at how simple it is to make a delicious pumpkin butter at home, where you get to not only control the cost, but the ingredients. So you guys, everything that you need to put this together is on the screen, and I will show you how to put it together coming up next. Okay everyone, into my deep non-stick cooking pan, I've already added my pumpkin puree, and make sure you get the pumpkin puree. And that is very important, because if you get the pumpkin pie filling, that is filled with other ingredients such as sugar, and that's not what you want. You want the pure pumpkin, which is the puree. All right, so now we are going to start layering in our additional ingredients. I've got some sweetener here, some sugar-free maple syrup, apple cider vinegar, a little lemon juice, some water, and some pumpkin pie spice. And guys, if you don't have pumpkin pie spice, then you can use a blend of the cinnamon, cloves, nutmeg, and ginger. Now at this point, you guys, we just want to blend everything together thoroughly. Okay, everyone, at this point, just give it a taste to make sure that you've got a good blend of all the spices and sweeteners. That is, if you can trust yourself to stop eating this. Oh my gosh, you guys, I cannot wait until this is ready, because as it cooks, then the depth of flavor is really going to come out, but this already tastes amazing. Okay, so you guys, at this point, join me at the stove. Okay, I have this pot on a medium flame, and one thing that I forgot to add to this mix was some salt. Had it right in front of me, but completely forgot, but here we go. A pinch of salt, and stir that in. Okay, so at this point, what we are looking to do is to bring this to a simmer, and then continue to cook and stir it until this has reduced and become thick. And I will tell you, you guys, when this comes up to temperature, it is going to start popping all over the place. So that's when you get your shield of protection, being a splash guard that, by the way, you guys, I purchased from the $1.25 tree. Yeah, that's my attempt at humor. So if you want one of these, you guys, I have to tell you, I use these all the time when I'm cooking chicken and whatever else that has a tendency to pop. This thing is invaluable and so inexpensive. Okay, everyone, as you can see, this has come to a boil. Look at that. So at this point, I'm going to turn this down to medium-low. And remember, throughout this process, so it doesn't stick and burn, remember to continue to stir this intermittently. Okay, everyone, I don't know if you can see this shield, but look at all this that has popped through this shield. That's what I'm seeing. Make sure you get yourself a shield of protection. Otherwise, you would have it all over you, and you would have it all over your stove, but more importantly, you, because you do not want to get burned from this. So what I'm going to do is just going to turn it down just so I can go ahead and get this stirred without getting burned. But as you can see, that is getting nice and thick. And I would say at this point, we are probably halfway there. All right, and put my lid back on and turn the flame back up to low. And the next time I see you guys, this will be ready. Okay, everyone, and here we have it. Our pumpkin butter. So all we have to do at this point is to let it sit here and cool. And then we are going to transfer it to our mason jar. And you guys, we are going to give this deliciousness a taste. Okay, everyone. I have to admit, this is still warm, but I couldn't wait to dive into this and say, Lord, I thank you. Oh my gosh. It smells amazing. And you guys, do you see the richness of this color? Absolutely phenomenal is this. Oh my gosh. This is another one of these. I just did something good and I just want to share, and you guys do yourselves a favor, get all of the ingredients and get to making you some of this. This is absolutely delicious. Oh my gosh. One more again. My mind is already going to what I can use this with. Oh my gosh. Pancakes, waffles, oats, chia seed pudding, just to name a few, you guys. When you make it, share in the comments, okay, how you are going to make this your own kind of special. And I want to thank you all for being here. And please remember to give this video a like and a share. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button below. Thank you guys again for being here, and I will see you all real soon on my next Fit 550. And remember to continue to make your own kind of special, and to keep growing, keep thriving, and to keep pushing those boundaries. And you guys, enjoy. I hope this makes it to that jar.